Gate.io is slowly becoming my favorite crypto exchange, so let me show you how to buy cryptos on this exchange.
Audio Jungle.
So first off, y'all, we're obviously gonna go to Gate.io's website. I already have it opened up here, but it's pretty simple. It's Gate.io. Um, so when you're on the Gate.io homepage, you're gonna navigate over to trade. I'll make it bigger here so you can see it. Trade right here, and underneath trade, you are gonna click spot trading. All right, that process is pretty simple. So we're gonna wait for this to load a little bit. And after you click spot trading, the way Gate.io's the way you buy cryptocurrency on Gate.io is through limit orders. And it may be look a little confusing here, but it's actually pretty simple. So basically you have to trade USDT on Gate.io. You have to have USDT to be able to trade for a cryptocurrency. So let's say I had Bitcoin. I already have Bitcoin here, or so let's say I already have USDT here in my wallet. I have 0.0123 USDT, not even half a cent. All right, let's say I wanted to trade for some Bitcoin. So I would normally it picks it for you, and you can see on the right hand side where my mouse is, you can see the price feed. The different last price, as you can see here, that Bitcoin would have, but it could pick it for you. So you would basically enter in the limit order you want to do. So you want to do something that Bitcoin, is going to come to, the price of Bitcoin will come to rather quickly, so that limit order can be fulfilled in 1 minute, 30 seconds. You don't want to have that limit order waiting for, 5, 10 days, because you just want to trade this cryptocurrency and I'm sorry. You want to get the equal amount of USDT for that cryptocurrency. So like I said, once I have my USDT on Gate.io, and you can buy the cryptocurrency USDT, which is a stable coin, on Gate.io using a third-party vendor, or you can buy it on Coinbase and send it over to your Gate.io account. But we'll cover that in another video. So let's say that I already have my USDT here. I would go here. Let's say I have $100 worth of USDT here. I would enter in $100, $100 worth of USDT, and it would now show me the amount in the cryptocurrency I'm gonna buy. In this case, it's Bitcoin here, and it would put here. I could enter the price. I would look at this current price feed here, and let's say it's 47,611. I can enter that just so I know my trade is gonna be the limit order will be fulfilled quickly. And that obviously will change the total USDC that I would receive. So I would just, if I had money in my USDC, I would put 100%, or depending on how much I want to trade, I normally put 100%, or I could just enter in the USDT amount, and everything would change here. And then I would put buy USDT, basically buying Bitcoin. You're trading USDT for BTC. So actually, I don't have any USDT. So let's use another crypto as an example. Let's use Badger. I know I have a little bit of Badger. I mean, this account here is just a tutorial account for the purposes of the video. So let's say I wanted to trade some Badger for some USDT. All right, so that's what I was saying about you want to enter in the USDT amount, because is way more easier. And right here, we see the price of Badger is trading around $15.70. So I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to that, just so we can get this trade to execute, this limit order to execute fast. So I'm gonna get this amount of Badger back, and I'm gonna get trade for $11. Actually, since it's the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna trade $2 here. At the price of Badger is going to be $50, so I'm going to sell it here. So I'm trading for USDT. Remember, it's going to prompt me to confirm. I'm going to confirm this transaction. It's going to ask me to enter in my fund password. That's the one. If you watch the other video I made about Gate.io, like I told y'all, the fund password you need every time you make a trade. So I'm going to submit that. Said I entered the wrong fund password. So let's see here. There we go. All right. So it says the fund, the as you saw here, that notification that just popped up, the transaction was placed. And I believe the transaction has already been fulfilled because under limit order, it normally shows, the limit order that you just placed. So I believe the transaction has already been fulfilled. It was that fast. And as you see here, it has been fulfilled because underneath USDT, my balance in USDT, it shows $2, which is basically what I just traded. And as you can see here, there's no fees. No fees were associated with that transaction. If you wanted to see if there are fees, you would over here, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see, but you would click fee, and that would bring you to the drop down. You see maker and taker, 0.2% would be the fee for the maker and slash taker. But as you can see here, Gate.io, you get 100% off. You get 100% off fees, so no fees. You can trade on Gate.io with no fees, and that's basically just a quick tutorial on how to spot trade. For Gate.io. Let's say I wanted to buy another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. I would click Bitcoin. You would go here. I would search Bitcoin, or let's say I wanted to buy some Aavegotchi. I like Aavegotchi a lot. So you would click the pair obviously for Aavegotchi, which would be GHST/USDT. It would be the same thing like trading my Badger for USDT. I would go here and I would enter in the amount of Aavegotchi I wanted to trade, and that would be 1.9967. All right, I would want to trade Aavegotchi around the last price on the right hand side here. So it's already selected, and I'll put buy USDT for Aavegotchi, GHST. And it's as easy as that. I'll come from order. It'll ask me to put my fund password in. But yeah, y'all, that's all there is to it. And that's pretty much it, y'all. It's pretty self-explanatory how to use Gate.io. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me because I'm going to be talking a lot more about Gate.io, so we can avoid those Ethereum gas fees, but still be able to trade all the cryptocurrencies that we want. Because it's all about getting in early in crypto before that crypto blows up and everybody finds out about it. All right. God bless y'all. That's it for today.